Aduh, jadi cocok mau cerita spesial jadi suatu.
Poppy Playtime Chapter 3.
Chapter 3. Continue, please. Yes, please. Catwoman, where are you? So what am I doing? Hello? Logging. Sọc lòng một tổ na. Kiningira. Tama nakasawas. Ayo, kak. Pakaliku. Yani. Yo, kama nakami so na tim yang mag. Kalau kita jeng kasi loading out to. Actually loading. Kasi po you I'm dead. Okay. Sabi ko lang. Suriruda ko na go. Sinichita ko na ito nga na. Ako siya tagiwasa ka. Siya ka doon ni tagusyangin nami. Hello, talk to me. You asking. Amy, sheepy, shampoo, poof. Right.
Tragic news this morning. As of 9:45 a.m., local authorities report that the body of a young boy has been found on the estate of the late Elliot Ludwig, an esteemed toy maker and originator of the Playtime company. At this time, an identity for the child awaits official confirmation. Found in an upstairs bedroom in a large duffel bag, officers on scene report that the remains appear to have been disturbed. Organs as well as key bones from the skeletal structure were reported missing from the body. It is unknown at this time whether this extraction was, in fact, the cause of death. In a large duffel bag, officers on scene report that the remains appear to have been disturbed. Following recent events, Playtime Co. was asked for any comment regarding the discovery. This is what they had to say. Quote, "It's sickening. Elliot Ludwig was a great man, and those who knew him understood that he was not capable of violence, let alone what others now claim. He had a deep love in his heart for children like this one, making the actions of whoever planted this body all the more sick. We look forward to clearing his good name, both in the public eye and in the eyes of the law. Stay tuned for more."
Oh yay! I want
Following recent events, Playtime Co. was asked for any comment regarding the discovery. This is what they had to say. Quote, "It's sickening. Elliot Ludwig was a great..."
Nothing so far. Where is she? Ghost?
You need to run!
Why? Er snart tayo mo! Naku, sunak po nga! Okay.
Despite Playtime's proclamation of Ludwig's innocence, many believe his reclusive and mysterious nature displayed over the previous decades lends suspicion to this claim. When questioned, Ludwig's neighbors indicated that he would often return to his home in strange hours of the night and depart again before sunrise. Some believed he was sick. Others that, don't move an inch. Playtime Co., it seems, intends to keep Elliot's name within its brand regardless. What is sure to be a long legal battle will follow.
Shippy, shippy. Таава сулис пиллиаллартиллуарсимангила qimaaffissa suliallartingila qaamaneruida okay. Veronica.
I was sleeping in the office next to the embassy after. Ja, sinds heel leuk. Dan was ik niet meer in die nacht. Next to the nacht se var. Så sinds jag efter ja.
Dr. Thomas is det va? Dr. Park.
1995. I find your presence intrusive. After all this time you return. You come in here and you kill and murder. You pillage and destroy. Your presence was demanded 10 years ago and you didn't show up. 8/8/1995. You were supposed to be here. Why weren't you here? You missed the event. You missed the meeting. You missed the party. You have no right to be here. 8/8/1995. You know, let's him. Let's him. Snap him. Misery. Ja, меня не снят. I was sleeping in the misery.
We need to run. Why? Hallo. Hallo. Du bist der Bahn. Gut. Quaffing was your tongue gave pocket a course, Katamavisa. Look at that English. Daba.
Get up. Get up. Get up.
Get up.
Get up.
I'm trying to. Sunny. Run. I guess. Good. It's not run. Ito na video kada ka siya gajuak. Thank you.
Greetings, employees, and welcome to your first day here in Playtime. We're certain that in the days to come, you'll find your new family here every bit as loving and supportive as your own. Feel free to wander the halls, sit in the mess for lunch, or watch our children play and learn to their little hearts' content. Join the innovationists where the bounds of science are continuously pushed, or join the counselors of Playcare whose diligence and care for our children will help shape a brighter future. Just you see. Now, every one of you has your part in that future, so should you come back tomorrow feeling unhappy for where you are or what you've done, worry not, for your supervisor is here and happy to listen. And should you come back years later, your conscience finally getting the better of you, may you descend into the dark and the dust, finding all that awaits you are incomprehensible horrors, each hungry for your return, each eager that they might find you. Perhaps they'd smile at you from a shadow, their smiling mouths full of teeth and meat and plastic, watching and waiting patiently for their turn at a warm welcome. Or perhaps they won't allow you such time to figure your place in the world you'd left, a world that's theirs now. Welcome home.
Springersen daar. Zet toch wat daar dingen, dus springersen daar. Springer trong đèo xe rồi bởi chính tuần đất buga. I wake up, good. Sasukita siya ruwak pa sinok to ko yung mi. Ira, tamasi to siya sinda sa sindi. Open. Shimmy. Yosin, good. Kinitsak ko ito nga na pin. Yung mangon. Tama kasok. Kashimoto nga sak. Hello. Sa kanila ko na itong agising maksin na siya ako. Ano? Mariam, bakit? Apa ito kangira? Hello, got you in the back. Window. Aż może już się Naman ito sige yung quack quack. Apa ya sesuatu sudah kayak halo. Ini aku tak usah aja. Sangga susindang gedekin aku nak otok cuci aku disungai otok cuci mateng. Okay. Betul ikasir apa? Betul ikasir. Jangan. rồi. Alo. Sorry. I hate so much. What happened? Hello. How are you today? Close the door. Kiss. Oh.
Hi there. I'm Piggy. Let's eat. Roast beef? Delicious.
Okie dokie, shoppy. Shoo. Oh, Charlie. Something so bad. Not good. It's bad. How? Hello? Okay, piece of shit. I see. Something so bad. Back. What happened? Run. Sóc super tóc. Amma sóc super tóc. Sokan liak to na tama tuang sa tingisyo na matukakpo. Akpo. Hả? Ngã. Đát. Siya may sususak ang ila kaya? Satan. Dua na. Ingas. Ingas? Anak kucing kau ah? Namaku. Reaction na eh. Yang siapa kasih? No, tamang madumag ako na po ah. Wangan. Ng kasakpat din. Dawa. Maybe yes, maybe no. Maybe yes. Ay. กลัวอยู่
A hug a day keeps the monsters away. 2 hugs a day is better in every way.
ดูดูดูดูดูดูดู
Hugging forever. Hugs are non-stop.
จบนเดย์ปะกะปะกะปะปะปะปะปะAşık aşık. 무엇이야? 요? 아. 한바탕 낚시 왔어. Très. Yep, shit. God damn it. Shit. Ah. Shit. You. Never. You. How? Kamashi. Yum yum. Aiming. And what? Oh. Okay. Shoo. Oh, the lever. On. Pull the lever. One. Okay, no. Something good back. Mamito ka lang tayo ng nakapun. Sa makareact sa kanya na midanas. Taba? Moro, chinyal tapin ako na. Oh, naleva? Ah. Then just the moment. On. Ke bangku. Bye bye. I'm scared. No joke. Where is my... In the back again. Hey, joke at me. Da 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 da.
Actually here to help. This place makes her tense. I'm glad that Ollie could help you get this far. He's the reason we found you at all. Looks like the train crash hurt us both. You've been through so much. You deserve an explanation. Come on. be okay. We'll be okay.
Bye bye. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Listen, I'm not your enemy, but I can't just let you leave. What's happening down here is bigger than all of us. And I need you, so we can get revenge on those monsters who've tortured you, who've tortured us. They didn't act alone. They're disciples of the original, the prototype. Do the honors?
Och các phí circuit. Đó là cái một tuyệt tuyến để sang ngôi chỉ cầm một tầng anh yak to rồi tôi ngay rồi mua tụi mấy đào á sang ngôi chính đến đi ta sang được cái một tuyệt tụi này. Tôi coi rồi bằng mấy chiếc bằng ba. Cái gì này kiểu cốt rồi chỉ số, và giờ sang cái đó chỉ thì bây giờ.
Prototype knows we're coming by now. You try to escape, he'll kill you before you ever reach that front door. He's the reason I was trapped in that god-awful case for so long. You have no idea of the things he's done. Let me help you kill him. Let me help you save everyone. We've all seen you, how capable you are. You killed Huggy. You killed Mommy. You freed me. You are perfect for this. Catnap is coming. He's the final obstacle the prototype has placed against us. We can't stay here. Keep yourself safe. Ollie will call you.
Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm still here. Stupid. Something green.
Hey, it's me again. It seems like Poppy explained everything now, and she turned on the dome's backup power. Now the plan from here is pretty simple. We need to restore power to the gas production zone. First, go back to the Home Sweet Home building you were just in. You should be able to find a big power cord somewhere around the porch. Grab it and plug it in underneath the statue.
Statues. You. You. Beep beep bop. Boop boop bop. Where are you? Oh, there. Back. Guess you.
Awesome! Look at that! Remember that generator you turned on inside of Home Sweet Home? Well, that was a backup generator for just that building. And every building should have one. Now you've just taken Home Sweet Home's backup power and routed it here. We're already halfway done. But where to go next? Every
Tässä on ako tusukka ruumissa. Naanak tarkpoasit qunisinarnupi sinnaarlarsimassistammassi paaitulliam takos kapi.